How to turn off autocomplete in Google Chrome. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off autocomplete in Google Chrome. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Google Chrome app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here from the drop down menu, you can just select settings. And now here, once you're inside the settings, simply scroll down and there you can just tap on Google services. And now here in this section, you can just find the option labeled as autocomplete and URL toggles, or you can just search for the option that says allow Chrome sign in. And here, once you have found that, you can just toggle off that option. And now here, once you do that, the Chrome will no longer show autocomplete suggestion as you type in the address bar. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.